Quentin, you are the father.
Since finding out the results, Ashley says Quentin and his mom have fully stepped up, so we wish them all the best. One baby and 2 men.
Look how beautiful my daughter is, baby.
Wait till you hear this update.
Plus, do you remember this story?
Didn't know you slept around on that boy.
Jawan, you are nothing. She's back, and you'll never believe the reason why.
Lauren was brought to you in part by...
Being a single mom, I have to make the money now. After you graduate, they help you find jobs. It was an accomplishment that I'm proud of. If I could do it, anybody can do it.
Are you ready to train for a career? Call Everest to get on the road to a rewarding career and a better life.
1-800-875-9981.
Everest for life.
A better future for me.
For yourself at whyeverest.com.
Hi, welcome to Everest. We want to know what's going to work best for you.
General yet? No, but a friend of mine did. Well, it's super fast, and you might save up a whole bunch of money. Rates and monthly payments are low. Payments as low as $59, and you'll get instant proof of insurance. Are you ready? For the best car insurance rates online, go to the General and save some time. We all need a little cash from time to time. Texas Car Title's payday loans has helped thousands of people, just like you, get the cash they need with that Premier Loan product for half as much as most other guys. If you own your car and need extra cash, we'll help you get more money and more payments so you can do the things you need to do. Just bring in your car title, no credit check, no hassle. Call Texas Car Title and Payday Loans at 800-514-CASH or go to Texas514cash.com. Come in, drive away.
My son has autism. When he gets severely irritable, his behavior really worries me. If you have a child with autism, you should know about a clinical research trial starting near you. Qualified participants receive study medication and study-related evaluations at no cost. If your child has autism and is between 6 to 17 years old with serious behavioral problems, let's keep talking about it. To learn more, call toll-free 1-866-6170 or visit www.letstalkautism.com.
Yeah, the guy came out of nowhere.